explain to you how to find the area of a triangle. Now, we have this triangle right here, and the formula for finding the area is to multiply half of the base times the height. So, let's say that the base is 6 units and the height is 5 units. Now, we can use this formula, half of the base times the height, or we can switch it around to make it base times height times 1/2, since multiplication is commutative. So what we have now is 6 times 5 times 1/2. 6 times 5 is 30, and then times 1/2, or you could do divided by 2, however you like. And then 30 divided by 2 is 15. So the area of this triangle is 15 square units. Now, the reason that this works is that we have this triangle, and then we can make a copy of it and then just flip it upside down right next to it. And then this just makes a parallelogram. And we already know how to find the area of a parallelogram, which is base times height. However, this parallelogram is twice the area of one of these triangles. So to find the area of just one of those triangles, we need to divide it by 2 or multiply it by 1/2. And the area of this whole parallelogram is 30 square units, but then divided by 2 is 15.